Hi everyone, welcome to Crime in Court. My name is Heather and I'm here with an Idaho 4 update. This is the latest filing from the defense from Ann Taylor on behalf of Bryan Kohberger, and it is, as you can see here by the title, it is a motion for change of venue. We're going to go through it. We'll talk over some things. This is going to be a short video. It's a very short document, but we'll kind of talk and see. I want to hear what you guys think. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's dive in. So comes now Bryan C. Kohberger by and through his attorneys and hereby moves this court for a change of venue. By this motion, Bryan requests a jury pool from outside Latah County. This motion is made pursuant to the 5th, 6th, 8th, and 14th Amendments to the U.S. Constitution. And then she cites them. A fair trial and a fair and impartial jury cannot be found in Latah County owing to the extensive inflammatory pretrial publicity, allegations made about Mr. Kohberger to the public by media that will be inadmissible at this trial, the small size of the community, the salacious nature of the alleged crimes, and the severity of the crimes Mr. Kohberger faces. Enlarging the jury pool will not do anything to overcome that pervasive, prejudicial publicity because Latah County does not have a large enough population center to avoid the bias in the community. I think that, further, the size of the community and the interconnectedness of its citizenry is problematic and will prevent a fair and impartial pool of potential jurors. Mr. Kohberger, by and through his counsel, requests an opportunity to be heard through evidentiary presentation and argument no sooner than the end of April 2024. So, I actually think, at first I was like, okay, they're just trying for anything. But actually, when I read her reasons for changing the venue, I do think she has some good reasons. Based on, I'm sure local media that has been covering it very extensively. I'm sure there's a lot of prejudice that has been happening there. And, if it's happening on a nationwide scale, imagine what it's like locally once they put a face to the masked intruder. Once they put a face to it and said, this is our guy, the media, law enforcement, everybody made him out to be a monster, whether he was found guilty of the crimes or not. So I do think she has some valid points. And if Latah County is as small as, she's making it out to be, then there might be some issues with, even if you enlarge the jury pool, just from that county, it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get less biased people, especially if they're seeing the same coverage in the area and whatnot. And, I'm sure there's a lot of gossip and talk in the town too. So that gets carried through, people's bias. They start to form a bias in the case before they even realize it. So being exposed to that kind of media, and I'm sure, it's very prevalent in the local communities talking about the case, even more so than on a grand national scale. It could really affect the jury pool. So I'm kind of in favor for, hearing her evidence at this presentation that she's requesting from the court, because I think she has some valid arguments. However, I also don't necessarily think that changing the venue will do a whole lot because this case is so nationally known. But I do think maybe you could get more open-minded people outside of the Latah County area just because even if they have been exposed to the story, they might not be as biased because they don't live in the area. So I don't know. That's kind of my interpretation of it. What do you guys think? Are you reading something else about, do you have other thoughts about this? Are you seeing it a different way? Let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.